Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall apps on your DOOGEE V Max. Okay, so to do this you have to open the settings. Next, select applications. Click to see all apps. And right now we can select any application that you want. So for example, we can try with this one. That's the system application, so we can remove it. This option will appear right here. But actually on my phone I have all the system apps, so I cannot uninstall any of it. But yeah, you will find this this option right here. So we will be able to click here to uninstall and then click OK to confirm. That's all for this video. Hope you like it, and remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.